Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BIM Structures. So this tutorial is basically about curtain walls, or we simply say glass walls. How we place glass walls in our project. So for creating glass walls, we simply click on the wall, and then from the wall option we have different walls as I already mentioned. This is 9-inch wall, 6-inch wall, 8-inch wall, and at the bottom we have curtain walls. Let's select our storefront wall. Select a level 1 to level 2 and then place wall. This is a glass curtain wall. We check a 3D view. So as you see, this is the glass wall, or simply we can say a curtain wall between level 1 to level 2. We can also modify it according to our project or according to our needs. So after simply select it, there are different properties. These are the same properties: base offset and top offset. So this is the properties for grid levels. We can change the angle from here. Let's we put a 15-degree angle, and you will see a change of angle of grids. This is for vertical grid, this is for horizontal grid. We also change it to 15-degree. So from here we can change the angle to any level we want. Let's change it at 45-degree. This will change at 45-degree. Also change it at 45-degree. So this is the justification. Simply set it at center. So in this way we can modify the grids. Again, let's select a simple 0-degree. Beginning. For further editing, simply click here at edit type. Here is we mentioned a spacing of vertical grids. These are the vertical grids. We can adjust the spacing of vertical grids. I scale down it 6 feet and apply, and you can see a change in spacing. These spacing are the 6 feet spacing, and the horizontal grid spacing we also change it. Let's change it at 4, then apply. So in this way we can change the grid spacing. These are the mullions. Actually this structure are mullion. This can also change its dimension from here. Let's select 1.5. We also change 1. So this structure is called mullion. For further editing, we again select it in edit type. You can change the size of mullions. Let's also change it at 1 inch. Both horizontal and vertical mullions are in 1 inch size, have 1 size. And click OK. So all the mullions have only 1 inch size. So let's create a proper curtain wall. For creating curtain wall, again click on the wall and we select curtain wall. This is a simple curtain, or we can say this is a simple glass wall. it, place it. This is the plain glass wall. We can change the grids from it. So placing a grids on curtain wall, here is option curtain grid. So after selecting it, there is a different options. So when I place a cursor in vertical direction, then it gives us the dimension for horizontal direction. So this is the for 3 feet. If I have to place at 3 feet, then I place it at 3 feet. Again at 3 feet. No, in y direction. Let's I place the grid at 6 feet, and again at 6 feet. So from here, place a grid at 6 feet, again at 6 feet. So now I only want to create a grid from here to here. So I select this, and again so we have created the grid levels. So we have to apply mullions on it. To apply mullions, here is the option for mullion. So different options, grid line. This will only create a grid line mullion. This will create a segment of mullion. This will create for all the segments in mullion. Let's select a mullion of 2.5 inch or 5 inch. And if we select this, then it will create only in one grid line. But if we select grid line segment, then it pastes on a single line this time. But I select all grid lines to place grids on all, to place mullions on all the grids. Simply select it and then click. We have places mullions on all the faces of the wall. So in this way we can modify glass wall in Revit. So to place a grid line in wall, simple wall. So this is a simple curtain wall. If we have placed to this wall in simple concrete wall, do that and delete it, and again simply place a simple wall. And if you want, this wall is from level 1 to, we want an unconnected length of, that's 16 feet. And we place a curtain wall in it. Let's select a curtain wall, forefront, level 1 to level 2. Now we place it. Let's 20 inch to so we have created a curtain wall in between the simple brick wall. So in 3D view, you can see we have created a simple curtain wall in simple our. You can then also change its type and its parameters as well as its dimensions. So this is all about the placement of curtain wall. I hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.